In today's video, I am going to show you how to improve the quality of any image using Canva's AI Image Upscaler feature. With just a few clicks, you can turn blurry, low-resolution images into sharp, clear, and high-quality visuals. This is perfect for social media posts, thumbnails, posters, printing, presentations, or any project where image quality matters. The best part is that Canva makes the whole process incredibly simple. I will guide you step by step through the complete practical process so you can start enhancing your images right away. Let's get started. Open Canva and upload the image you want to use in your design. Click on the plus icon to create a duplicate of the image so we can compare the results before and after upscaling. As you can see, both images are currently low quality. Now, select any one of the images and click on Edit from the top toolbar. When the editing panel opens, click on See All and then select the Upscale feature. Within seconds, Canva will enhance your image and increase its quality automatically. Now you can clearly compare the two images and see the difference. The upscaled image looks much sharper, clearer, and more professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials and future videos.